Hello everybody. Today's video is going to be about analog to digital TV channels and where we have come by today. Where we have come from back then to what we have now. I'm also going to talk about radio frequencies too. But back in the day, back in the day, most every television channel back in the day was analog. Means any antenna could pick it up. When I was growing up in Buffalo, New York, we only had 4 stations. There was WKBW, WGRZ, and I forgot WBEN, I think is one of them, and then you got the PBS station. There's only 4. And we had cable, and we had those stations, and maybe we had HBO, and that was it. HBO wasn't, back then HBO wasn't 24 hours a day. It came on at a certain time of night and went off at a certain time of day. So, and that was that was analog signals were being, because back then analog signals were being transmitted from the cable company's satellite to our TV sets. Look at what we have now. Well, we went from analog to digital for a reason, and that was to save the analog for emergencies or whatever we needed to use it for. That's their excuse for it. But what started up to be 4 channels, you get way more now with cable. Even with a digital, and with TV sets that have the digital tuner built into them, you get a lot of channels. If you had a converter box and you had a CRT TV and you had a converter box with an antenna on it, and you programmed that, you could pick up quite a bit of over-the-air channels. So technology in the matter of TV channels and what to watch has come a long way in 50 years, 60 years, I don't know. That we have a lot more channels to watch now than we did back in my day when I grew up. And we have come a long way. And the antennas have come a long way. We still have rabbit ear TV antenna, but we have flat ones. We have all kinds of different types of antennas that pick up digital signals now. But the most technology is the tuning systems of TVs. Back in the day, it was just a tuner inside of it. You just clicked it, and now you have a digital tuner in it, and you can just 6.1, 6.2. If you wanted to watch channel 13, you had to turn your TV to channel 13, or you had to press on the remote channel 13, or on the converter box you had to type 1, 3 to go to that channel. Your TV had to be on channel 3 for a converter box. So you would have to control what you watch over the converter box. Your converter box was your TV's tuner. But we have come so long, and so much has been changed through the years. I'm just wondering what's going to happen in the future. we have come a long, long way with technology, and this series is going to be drawn out as much as it can. I thank you for watching. I know I was babbling on, but I mean, look at where we came from. Analog TV signals to digital. Wow. And I believe that was for a reason, but I don't know what the reason really was on that. I mean, we get more channels now, today, than we did back when I was growing up. Like I said, we have made so many changes in technology. And I want to thank you for taking your time to watch this short little video. Please be good.